Chapter 10: Environmental Pollution. Environmental pollution. The word environment includes all living and non-living things occurring naturally on the earth. Air, water, animals, plants, soil, humans, they are all part of the environment. The environment plays an important role in our lives. Human beings use the environment for different activities. Some of these activities pollute the environment. Environmental pollution can be defined as the contamination of the environment by adding harmful substances to it. The substances which pollute the environment are called pollutants. Environmental pollution can be divided into 4 broad categories: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Air pollution: the mixing of harmful gases, smoke, and other particles in the air called air pollution. Breathing in such air can cause a number of health problems. Causes of air pollution are burning of fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum, release of harmful smoke and gases from factories, industries, and vehicles, mining operations, agriculture activities such as burning of crops residue and bursting crackers. Sometimes smoke mixes with fog to produce smog, which is very harmful and causes breathing problems. Some major effects of air pollution are health problems. Many people are known to suffer from respiratory and heart troubles besides various forms of allergies. Global warming. The Earth's atmosphere traps the sun's heat and does not let it escape. This is called greenhouse effect, and it occurs due to the presence of some gases called greenhouse gases. Air pollution resulting in increase of these gases and thereby resulting in rise of temperature on the earth. This is called global warming. It is having an adverse effect on the climate. Acid rain. When it rains, the water droplets combine with air pollutants and then fall on the ground in the form of acid rain. Acid rain can cause great damage to humans, animals, and crops. Depletion of ozone layer. Ozone layer exists of the Earth's atmosphere and is responsible for protecting humans from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. The Earth's ozone layer is depleting due to the presence of some pollutants in the air. Steps to control air pollution are: people should be encouraged to organize carpools to go to offices and schools. Conservation of energy is important to control air pollution, as mostly energy is produced using non-renewable sources of energy, which results in air pollution. Hence, we should switch off extra lights and fans. Renewable sources of energy, such as solar and wind energy, should be used because these sources do not pollute air. High chimneys with filters should be used by factories and industries. Also, industries should be built far from polluted areas. Reforestation also helps in reducing air pollution. It is a process of restoring the forests that once existed but were cleared at some points of time in the past. Water pollution. Water gets polluted when harmful substances or pollutants like wastes from industries or garbage mix with it. Different types of pollutants enter water through sewage, farm and industrial wastes. These pollutants harm plant and animal life and make water unfit for us as well. It cannot be used either for drinking or for cooking. Water pollution is caused mainly due to release of factory waste, including harmful chemical into water bodies. Acid rain causes water pollution by polluting water bodies such as river and seas, dumping of garbage and untreated sewage into rivers, leakage of oil from oil tankers into oceans, overuse of chemicals and fertilizers in farming. Water pollution can cause many waterborne diseases such as cholera, typhoid, dysentery, and jaundice. Polluted water can also damage crops and aquatic plants. When animals drink polluted water, they can fall sick or even die. It can cause harm to fish and other marine life as well. Steps to control water pollution. Industrial wastes should be properly treated before being dumped into the water bodies. Sewage treatment plants should be installed. Sewage wastes should be discharged only after having been treated in these plants. Judicious use of insecticides and pesticides should be encouraged among the farmers. They should be educated about the benefits of using organic farming. Are you aware? Rivers such as the Yamuna and the Ganga have become polluted due to discharge of sewage and industrial wastes. The government has formulated plans such as the Ganga Action Plan and the Yamuna Action Plan to clean up these rivers. Land pollution. Land or soil gets polluted when harmful substances are released into it. The main causes of land or soil pollution are discharge of garbage or industrial waste into the soil, dumping of refuse from mines, excessive use of pesticides and fertilizers. Pollution makes soil infertile. It affects the growth of plants. It also harms the organisms living in the soil. Steps to control land pollution are solid wastes such as paper, glass, tin, iron and plastic which can be recycled should be sent for recycling. The excretory wastes can be used to prepare biogas. Overuse of fertilizers and pesticides should be discouraged. Noise pollution. Excessive and unpleasant sound of our environment is called noise. Normal level of sound is comfortable. However, undesired sound or noise which is not tolerated by people, animals or plants causes noise pollution in the environment. For example, loud music and blowing of horns of vehicles. The main sources of noise pollution are aeroplanes, horns of various vehicles like car, bus, truck, etc. Loudspeakers and loud music. Machines used in heavy industries and factories. Bursting of firecrackers. Home appliances like washing machines, mixer grinders, etc. Loud noise can lead to loss of hearing, stress, ill temper, lack of sleep, and irritation. It disturbs birds, animals, and plants as well. Sudden increase in noise can have an adverse effect on the heart and blood pressure. Steps to control noise pollution are proper maintenance and lubrication of vehicles and machinery, control over loud horn blowing by drivers. Factories and industries should be far away from residential areas. Are you aware? A unit called decibel is used to measure the intensity of sound. The softest sound we hear is 20 decibels. Any sound louder than 90 decibels can harm the ears. Things I have learned. The environment includes everything in our surroundings. Contamination of the environment by adding harmful substances to it is known as environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is mainly of 4 types: air, water, land, and noise. Discharging of waste, garbage, and overuse of pesticide and fertilizer are major causes of land pollution. Water gets polluted when harmful substances such as waste from industries and sewage are dumped in water bodies.